Hey crew, so I know that many people are playing with the new 4.0 image generator on ChatGPT. This thing is epic in terms of what it can build for you. Everything from workshop ideas to really, really accurate and awesome images. The font and the text is almost perfect. There's a few spelling errors, but make sure that you check it out. Some people have been saying that they've been trying to play with it and it hasn't quite been generating the results that they want. The trick that I've found with it, and I hope this helps everybody, is ChatGPT works better if you generate the text of the idea in one window and then you give it that text in another window and tell it to generate the image. So to give you an example, these are the things that I've been playing with this morning. So I asked the ChatGPT to take my book and turn it into some concepts and ideas that I could use for some infographics for a lead magnet on Facebook as an example. So I gave it my book. I also gave it some examples of worksheets that I've seen and created in the past that I think fit my brand. So really important to give it some ideas to look at so that it could create it. And then you can see here, it's created all of these fantastic lead magnets for me that I can play with. So all I need to do next is scroll down to the bottom. I asked it to create 10. So I think I've told it to create... hang on, let's make sure I create a new one for you. So I've told it to create 3. So now I'm going to say, awesome. That's great. Let's now build worksheet 4. And it will start to reason, which I think is epic. So it's actually reasoning and working itself out. And then it goes into the worksheet. So now all I need to do is copy this. I'm going to skip the CTA this time. Actually, I want to capture those design and layout prompts. Let's just do the whole thing. So I'm going to capture all of this, copy, go into my design chat project. And then paste I did need to tell it one little tip. It was creating everything square, but I want to use these things as A4 PDFs. So I did tell it that I needed it to be in A4 format. And because I'm chatting in the same window, it's hopefully going to follow the same style as the previous ones that it's generated for me. So you'll see it start to build it out, starts to fade in and create the thing. Doesn't take too long. There we go. And it looks like it's followed the same pattern. So you can now just download this directly as it is once it finishes. You can ask GPT to turn it into a PDF for you if you prefer to have it in PDF format. I'm going to just download these all as PDFs and then put them into a folder or use them essentially as separate lead magnets so that there's just something really quick and easy that we can use for free to start to get people to download our stuff and play with all of our amazing things and come into our world. So I hope this helps. This is just taking graphic design to a quick and easy level. You don't even need to play on Canva to generate this stuff. So happy image generating. Hey there, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit like so that we can share it with amazing entrepreneurs just like you. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss another level up strategy that could completely change the game when it comes to growing and scaling your business. We love supporting and helping entrepreneurs to take things to the next level. So be sure to comment below, let us know your questions or the other videos that you would like us to do, and we'll see you on the other side.